We're going to do a quick run through of the 6-month task planner from Appointed. This is a planner that goes from Jan to June. We've also got the July to December of this version as well. So this planner comes in 4 colours. We've got the charcoal grey, which you can see it has that book cloth textured cover you can see, and the gold foil plant embossing on the back and the front. It's got the brass coiling at the sides and comes in this charcoal grey. We've also got the dove grey. We've got the natural linen, which is a really lovely neutral shade. And we've got the lavender grey as well. So that's got more of a purple shade to it and is again quite a muted, lovely shade. So these are these planners go from Jan to June, and I'm going to take you through the lavender grey one. For comparison, the 6-month task planner is A5 in size, a little tiny bit wider than your traditional A5. In comparison, the year task planner is B5, so you can see the difference in sizing here. The 6-month task planner has a smaller footprint and is more of a portable planner that you can take in your bag and go anywhere with. So let's open it up. So the 6-month task planner, this one goes from Jan to June 2021. We've also got the July to December 2021, and you can purchase as a set of both. If you'd like to mix and match colours, if you just purchase one of each colour and add them to your cart. If you want 2 of the same colour, we've got a selection for adding both. So the 6-month task planner is very similar in layout to the year task planner. We've got your calendar layouts here, your common conversions, so that you can understand what your American friends are talking about. We've got a year overview. So here on the left, you've got your year calendar, or well, your 6-month calendar. You've also got an area here for dates, and then an area here where you can mark out your goals or anything that you want to achieve. You've got some note pages as well that are included. And here we have the beginning of January, so the first month layout. You can see here that you've got your month goals and your important dates to remember. You've got a section here for drawing and notes, and a little area for notes there. You'll note that in the 6-month planner, as opposed to the year task planner, these ones have the month printed along the side as opposed to having tabs. So that is another feature that is different between the year task planner and the 6-month planner. So you flick over to the monthly layout. You can see here you've got the previous month and then the next month listed there as well. We've also got a really clean layout for your month. So you can add in any important dates and appointments, get a really good idea of what's going on during the month. So this is the main feature of the weekly layout. So on the left-hand side, you've got your full week, so Monday through to Sunday. You've also got the month dates along the side here. And then on the other side, you've got an area for your main priorities, your tasks in the middle here, and then your notes. So this is a really great layout if you're task oriented. So how I use this layout is that I will write my appointments and my main focus tasks for the week, my priorities for the week, and then my tasks that just need to get done. And I separate them by, if they're a task, they can be done in half an hour or an hour. I'll pop them there. Any notes I take, and I also leave a little space at the bottom to write down any tasks that I need to keep in mind for the following weeks. So that is the weekly layout. At the end of each month in the 6-month task planner, you've got a couple of pages of notes that are included. Now these notes there are more notes pages in this than there are in the year task planner. So there's a couple of pages for notes at the back, so you can write your meeting notes, you can write any notes that you like during the week, do out some planning, maybe some strategy work, and then you've got your next month. So your month goals, your important dates, layout, and on it goes. So at the rear of this planner, you have a little cardboard pocket where you can put your business card. There's a little slot here for a business card. I'll just bring that up to show you. Just there. You've also got pockets for notes and any papers, any bills that you have. They can all go in there as well. There's also 10 note pages, so lots and lots of notes. So you can use this to keep your passwords, you can use this to keep your contacts, your note pages, anything that you like in there. And that's all at the rear of the planner. So that is the 6-month task planner from Appointed, available Jan to June 2021 in these 4 colours. We've also got the July to December versions as well on the website. So if you'd like to have a look through the year task planner, I've got a video of that up on the website and also in our IGTV. So have a look there. Thank you very much. If you have any questions about this, please just comment below. I will respond to all of them.